Cotton Folklore Project Summit 2024 hosted by the Swara Mandala Foundation focused on integrating topics like menstrual hygiene and sex education into Meghalaya's educational system. The summit brought together over 200 stakeholders and celebrated the creation of 45 storybooks rooted in local folklore, aiming to provide culturally sensitive educational resources for early childhood education.
Books. So we ensured that these books, because
inculcating a good habit of a child looking at a cartoon, an animated cartoon that not only entertains the child but also gives them information, history, culture, connection.
So I'm extremely delighted that the program is also being linked to early childhood development. One of the innovative schemes that was introduced by the government of Meghalaya and was a novel venture when it started off, because the focal point was on the first 7 years of a child's growth.
The addition